Hello, I'm Dafydd Owain. I'm a graphic designer and I work for the Books Council of Wales. Well, an ordinary day, my job would probably be sitting by a computer, to be honest with you. It's normally a very big screen, with maybe sometimes other screens around it. But usually, it's design books, or we can design children's books, we can be designing novels, we can, book covers, all sorts of things. And that would probably be collaborating with publishers, authors, illustrators. It's quite a creative day, full of collaboration and ideas. I studied media production in university, and there was a small module within that course that had some graphic design in it, and that's where my kind of interest in graphic design kind of started to spark. But otherwise, I'm self-taught. I've just looked at books and videos and anything I could find really to understand and come to grips with how design works. And I feel incredibly lucky that I have a career in graphic design. I think the element that I enjoy most about my job is being creative all day and collaborating with ideas, discussions on different approaches to covers or layouts, and it's just a day full of kind of creativity and curiosity as well. I think one of the most difficult and challenging things about my job is sometimes how much emphasis there is on a piece of design, let's say a book cover, to actually sell a book in the shops to a potential reader, and it's quite a daunting role sometimes to be thinking that you're responsible for essentially selling the book in the shop, but it can also be very exciting as well. I tend to get my ideas from what I see around me. It could be in books, could be on the streets, could be something as small as a little badge, or it could be a massive banner somewhere. I just tend to kind of look around and just take pictures of anything that kind of catches my eye, be they fonts, colour combinations, and they often, it sounds quite simple, but they often lead to ideas. And results and book covers and all sorts of things. Yeah, so there is a bit of a difference between being either an illustrator or a designer. So illustrators normally illustrate, they create the pictures you might see in a book. They could maybe work on book covers as well, so the picture you might see on a book cover. But a designer can also create book covers, but they work mostly with fonts and laying information out. So they might take the images from the illustrator, put them on the pages and put the text around those images, and be responsible for sending that to the printer. But both are equally creative roles, and you, as a designer, you work very closely with an illustrator, and as an illustrator, you work very closely with a designer. I would suggest just taking an interest in the stuff that you see around you. I think we can see design everywhere. We can open a book and someone has designed that book. We can walk into a shop and see a sign and someone has designed that sign. And I think it's important just to be curious about what you see, and look at things that attract your eye and wonder why maybe they attract your eye. And I think that I think anyone can teach themselves to be a designer.